It will be a great gift for Balochistan, your support. We always need your support, and we will love to see these projects fulfilling successfully, and all the members who are helping you in these all situations, like especially Murad. He is a gift for Balochistan, I must say. Such like Murad, we have lot of more youth and boys who are very energetic and can do a lot for Balochistan. So this will be a great support from Mr. Lords. I must say you should bring more projects for Balochistan instead of Punjab, Sindh or KPK, because we deserve more. We are the poverty level is more less than other provinces. So this will be a great support from you if you will look after the Balochistan people more than any other province. As I visited Scotland, I met the social welfare minister there. I briefed about the social welfare program as we were doing here in BF, Balochistan Enrollment Fund. He was really surprised that no other country is doing this project except Balochistan. This was an honor for us. And we are really treating a lot of patients like kidney patients, kidney failures, liver transplant, and heart, and especially cancer patients. So he said, we will, he was asking, you want financial support? I said, no, we don't need financial support. We need skills. And you can train our people of Balochistan, so we can help them out to serve in Balochistan. So he agreed, and he was so happy to see that people of Balochistan have so much vision that they have developed this. And in this, I must say, bureaucrats also helped, and our parliamentarians, they took this project up. And now, Alhamdulillah, this was the project of Balochistan Awami Party, the party from which I belong, and I'm very much happy, and I'm happy to see more countries now coming to Balochistan. The things are going on the right path. The Balochistan is very secure and a good province, and people are very loving, have hospitality, good culture, and you will love to meet the people of Balochistan. The people come from all over the world. When they meet the people of Balochistan, they never forget the people of Balochistan. Just because of their love, their hospitality, their care, they give time, and this is a big thing to give to anybody. So thank you everyone. Thank you so much, and enjoy your dinner.